नमस्कार बच्चों, चैप्टर हम पढ़ रहे हैं चैप्टर 10 डिस्प्लेसिंग इंडिजिनियस पीपल. So in the previous part we have seen how the America and the Australia, they were the colonies of the particular state, and now they have become the superpowers. But earlier the England was the main power, and due to their imperialistic approach they wanted to spread their colonies, and they made their colonies in North America also. So along with that we have seen the agriculture and the occupation of the people of the particular area. So we could come to know about the things what were happening there. So in today's topic what we are going to see, there was a term gold rush. What was gold rush and what was the impact of gold rush in North America? Americans economy पर what was the impact of gold rush? We will see. First we will see the meaning of gold rush. What was gold rush? Gold rush was the immense wealth of gold mine in California. California where it was in USA. So there was immense wealth in California which is in America, USA में है जो. So here European country was made to acquire the wealth. And what happens if we find somewhere that they are having natural resources in abundant measure? So we want to get them as much as possible. So European countries were in rush to acquire that particular wealth that was in California, and it was called gold rush. So just to acquire those gold mines, what run was there, what competition was there, वो कहलाया gold rush. So इस गोल्ड रश का अमेरिका की इकोनॉमी पर क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ, एंड हाउ इट वाज बेनिफिशियल फॉर इकोनॉमिक एंड पॉलिटिकल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ अमेरिका, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी इन दीज पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक्स. So the thing should be clear. What was the gold rush? Gold rush was immense wealth of gold mine that was found in California and that was in USA. So European countries were mad to acquire that wealth, because that is but natural. If we are finding something precious somewhere, so we want to acquire that as soon as possible. So it happened there. So the role of gold rush in economic and political expansion of America. अमेरिका के political और economic expansion में gold rush का क्या रोल रहा? तो when we are having abundant measure of wealth, हमारे पास जब वेल्थ होती है तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम उसका यूज़ करते हैं कंट्री की इकोनॉमी को डेवलप करने में, कंट्री को डेवलप करने में. तो हाउ डेवलपमेंट वाज गोइंग ऑन इन अमेरिका, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी इन द टॉपिक. द फर्स्ट लाइन इज बिल्डिंग ऑफ रेलवे लाइन्स. सो दिस वॉज द मेन थिंग ऑफ दैट टाइम कि रेलवे लाइन से क्या करेंगे, अगर रेलवे लाइन होगी देन इट विल बी ईजियर टू ट्रांसपोर्ट द गुड्स. As we know very well, these the mediums are there to where to whom we need to transport the things. So it is going to do the economic growth also. So role of building of railway lines. Thousands of Chinese workers were employed in constructions of railway in 1870 CE in USA. बहुत सारे Chinese workers जो थे, they were employed in making the railway lines there. रेलवे लाइन बनाने के लिए उनको एम्प्लॉयड किया गया. रेलवे नेटवर्क कंप्लीटेड इन कनाडा 1885 CE, और कनाडा में ये 1885 CE में कंप्लीट हुआ, और यूएसए में ये 1870 CE में कंप्लीट हुआ. सो व्हेन देयर वाज द मीडियम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, सो थिंग्स वर supposed to send from one place to another place, and it was accessible for the people also to move from one area to another area. So this was the main thing कि जो wealth आया जिससे कि वो develop हो रहे थे. So first of all what was done, that building of the railways, that was the important thing that was done at that time. The next one, the growth of industries. So development में दूसरा part क्या हुआ, industrial growth हुआ. So we can see the growth of industries in two manners. The number one, क्या क्या produce किया गया. Number one, manufacture of the railway equipments. Definitely when we are going to expand the railways, we are going to build the railway lines. So what we need, we require the equipments for railway. We require the equipments. So manufacturing of railway equipments were done. रेलवे इक्विपमेंट्स की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की गई एंड टू प्रोड्यूस मशीनरी टू मेक लार्ज स्केल फार्मिंग ईजियर. सो वन थिंग व्हाट वाज देयर, रेलवे इक्विपमेंट प्रोड्यूस किए गए एंड नंबर 2 टू प्रोड्यूस मशीनरी टू मेक लार्ज स्केल फार्मिंग. लार्ज स्केल फार्मिंग को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए मशीनरी क्रिएट की गई. So these two were the main features of the development of industries at the time. ये दो आपके मेन फीचर्स रहे जब हम इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट की बात करते हैं. What were these? Manufacturing of railway equipments and number 2 to produce the machinery to make large scale farming. फार्मिंग को एक्सपेंड करने के लिए बिकॉज अर्लियर दे वर डिपेंडिंग ऑन एग्रीकल्चर, सो दे वर इन नीड ऑफ हैविंग new equipments for the farming, so they were manufacturing the particular tools for the farming. So to make farming easier, they were making the tools. Then next one is the expansion of agriculture. So main occupation was there of agriculture. So what they were doing, they were expansion of agriculture was going on. For that, what they were doing, the forests were cleared. Mostly the earth is occupied by the forest. So how to do the agriculture? So for the agriculture, what was required? The required thing was to clean the forest and to create the land for agriculture. Large forest को clear करना और land को agriculture के लिए provide करना. Then there was a wild buffalo that was called bison also, which was found there. So wild buffalo was there which was found, and this was the main tool for the agriculture. But later on the things were changed and they have done so many innovations. They created so many tools for the expansion of agriculture. The next one, political expansion. अब देखिए हमने क्या बात की थी. एक तो they were building railway lines, then we talked about the industries, then we talked about the agriculture, then political expansion. If we are coming to this topic, what this topic is saying, within few years USA was setting up its own colonies in Hawaii and Philippines and become imperial power. अब क्या हुआ, USA ने क्या किया कि it was setting up its own colonies. वो imperialist जो feeling थी, they want to expand their empire. जब हम एक्सपेंशन की बात करते हैं, when we talk about the expansion, so what they were doing earlier, it was the colony of Britishers as we have seen, but now what they were doing after within a few years USA was setting up its own colonies in Hawaii and the Philippines. वो अपनी खुद की colonies को सेटअप करने लगी and became the imperial power और imperial power के रूप में establish हो गए. So it means they were having the power which were making them more powerful. So these were the things how this gold rush made the economic and political expansion of America का कैसे हो पाया. The reason is the same कि these are the things how they were using that particular gold, the wealth को उन्होंने use किया, building of railway lines and the growth of industries, expansion of agriculture and the political expansion. So how it started? It was started by the gold rush. And what was the gold rush? Gold rush means immense wealth of gold mine. Immense wealth of gold mine which was found in California, that was a part of USA, and it was made all European countries, when they came to know about the California and the gold mines, they were just in need of acquiring the wealth there. This happened and it was called gold rush, और इसको क्या कहा गया, gold rush कहा गया. And if we are to see the role of gold rush in economic and political expansion of America, तो क्या हुआ, railway lines were built. So Chinese workers जो थे, they were employed to for the construction in railways. 1870s में कहाँ हुआ, USA में हुआ. In Canada it was in 1885. We need to learn the terms, where it was established and when. So we need to remember these terms. Then growth of industries, कौन सी industries develop हुई थी. First जो manufacture करती थी railway equipments को, number 1. Number 2 to produce machinery to make large scale farming. लार्ज स्केल फार्मिंग को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए मशीनरी बना. तो दीज वर द टू थिंग्स विच वर देयर, and in agriculture large area of forests were cleared so that they can do the agriculture there. So vast area was there for the agriculture. Then political expansion, what it was doing, now USA was making its own colonies. क्या कर रहे थे वो? कॉलोनी बना रहे थे. कहाँ बनाई? हवाई एंड फिलीपींस. We need to learn these terms. If they were setting colonies, तो कहाँ सेट की? हवाई और फिलीपींस पे की. So do learn that and became imperial power. Earlier, the Britain was imperial power, which made America, North America, the colony. Now, imperialism was in the nature of the countries which want to dominate others. So it happened with America also, and they made the colonies in the Hawaii and the Philippines. It means whatever they have faced, they were doing with the other countries just to what? Just to capture them. What happens in the case of colonies? First they acquire the economic wealth, then they coming to social and the political wealth. So in such a manner they are going to just take over the all things whatever they wanted to present themselves as the power. So this was the topic, gold rush. If anyone is asking you about the meaning of that, it should be very clear with that. And what was the impact of gold rush on America? You have to clear all these points. You have to expand the points. Points must be clear. Still, the topic you have to read from the NCERT, the things will be more clear. So in this chapter we are just studying how the inhabitants of the particular area went to other areas, how they were settled there, how they were made the colonies, and what were the conditions of those people, those who are residing there. These all things we are studying in the chapter. In next part we will study about few new terms, so you will be able to understand the chapter more easily. So do revise the chapter from the book, and when we will have the interaction or live class, we will discuss the points more thoroughly. So this was the topic of the day. So do revise the things and do read the chapter from the book. Thank you so much.